Very good morning, friends, and I hope you had a good, profitable day yesterday. A couple of trades we took yesterday. DLF we went long, made some small profit, and yesterday on the index, the first opening itself was a big rally. If you remember, we had shared this screenshot or Excel sheet. Uh, Let me just open this. So this was the Excel I think we had shared yesterday. So 44,400 call above 740. This made a high of 1,054. This is the next. Not the expiry day expiry strike prices or the next, but it was the next expiries. And 19,400 call from 147, it went to 220 215 plus. So this is how the market rallied in the opening. Post that we, I think, yeah. Post that we went to we were quiet for some time, and then for 44,800 put we bought, and from 150 it rallied to 220. And the same we also again reiterated that from 44,800 May to hit 240. Uh, the last trade zero zero was I think 44,600 PE from 1,154 it went to 150. Not a very big rally, of course, on the zero hero trades, but yes, market gave a lot of opportunities. It tested the patience and quite a sensible, profitable day, you can say. Today is Sensex expiry. If you notice, the big movement has done in both all the indices, and we had also mentioned that we are expecting 18,800 on the Nifty, and based on this chart itself, we could you could anybody could understand that Nifty had to move up and made a high. It made a high of 19,570. Now that this pattern is complete, we need to see how the next story unfolds. What I can see is there is a very big downside which can possibly happen, and market may stay for some time, and then I'm expecting 19,200 levels. Initially we may see 19,300 uh, to 95, and then you know uh, the lower levels can be seen. So not that I'm expecting a crash. Many were asking, sir, you're sounding so bearish every time. It's just a part of the waves. If you look at the higher time frame and check, market has made a big high. If you see this impulse wave, of course, there will be small corrections, after this one impulse, this is one impulse wave, and then there is a correction, another impulse and correction, another impulse, there has to be a correction. So we will see how it goes. Uh, what we can see is that market mm, is always creating opportunities for people to buy stocks low and sell high. Uh, it is good time to reduce positions, book profits, and wait for lower levels to buy stocks at cheap prices. And so today we are looking at Bank Nifty. I might think of 44,500 PE. Once this moves about 280, I might look at targets of 340 plus. Uh, the charts, if it stays within this range again today, then I think we would avoid to trade. We would only look for trades once the price moves above 44,800, and if price tends to move below 44 330 or so. So the next targets I might be looking at 44,980, and I'm sorry, uh, 44,330. I think is a good price to go short of 44 3 4 380 below. I think we will look for shorts, and initial targets could be somewhere close to 44,000 to 25, and then we would look at targets of 44,040, and below this we would look at targets of 43,700 or so. And when it comes to Nifty, we have already drawn, I think, shared the levels. Uh, Today is also Sensex expiry, so we might look at 65 200. If this moves above 130 or so, then I think I might look at targets of 200 plus. SL of course has to be there. You can have 96 as your stop loss. And some stocks we're looking at today, we are looking at Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, we might think of going long. Uh, if it moves above, only if it moves above 871.4, and we might look at targets of 877 or so. And we also have Chambal fertilizers. If this, we might look at shorting only if this moves below 271, and we would look at targets of 268.8 and others. Balkrishna Industries also is a good stock. We might expect some big movement. Possibly, I might look at going long on this counter. 2385 above, I think we might expect 2400 plus. Let us see how it can rally. Has not been, moving that great. ATC is also I'm looking to go long based on the pattern. I think we should see some rally up to 854 again. And Tata Power is slightly stuck at one range. We might see some upside, but then I think we should see this testing 245 levels or so. So let us see how it goes today. Good luck to all. We also have created an Excel for today, but uh, uh, the other thing I would like to suggest is that do not go huge positions in index. Uh, you know, goes because I don't we can may not see big moves today. Go a little slow, and happy weekend, happy profitable day as well. Thank you all for joining, and God bless you all. I hope there are no queries.